I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music too young. Well, it goes like this in 14/5. The minor fall and the major lift. The powerful